Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. It's your boy Jay Spence, and this is Jay Spence TV. Oh, I'm black as I don't know what. Welcome back. So everything's installed with the new addition. I'm actually going to get out and show you and talk about that, but first I need to rinse off the car before I go to work because it's dirty. I didn't have time this weekend with all the install I was doing on top of other things. So let me wash the car, and once I'm done I'll show you the car itself. It's going to be a really short video, by the way, only because I don't have much time. I guess I gotta go to work. And so yeah, check it out and I'll get back with you. So I'm back now. The car is finally washed, so I'm gonna get out and show you what exactly was done to the car. I mean, you know about the hood and the trunk, but you haven't really seen it all together after it's being cleaned and detailed. I didn't really detail it, I just did like a quick wipe down with the hydro speed from My Chemical Garage, or My Chemical Guys Detail Garage ceramic quick detailer. I mean, it's not the actual detail ceramic coating, which I did order from Adams. I just haven't had the time to put it on, which after I come from work I'm actually gonna have the car fully detailed, like wax, clay bar, and then apply it. So yeah, let me get out the car and show you what's done. You know about the hood. Still the whole fitment issue. I tried taking off the front bumper and adjusting the bracket, but that didn't work. I'm not sure if it's because of the hood struts, but yeah, that's the hood. And then I went ahead and added. My phone's ringing. Fuck it, I'll answer it in a minute. You see the trunk. Damn, that shit looks good in the sunlight. This is what I added. Diffuser. Can't get it in the light that good, but you'll see in another video. I did the side skirt extensions. Yeah, this is it right here. Next, I'll need some wheels and tail lights, and the daily should be done. The daily should be done. But yeah, it looks really great. Really great. I'm highly satisfied with the performance of the car, the styling, how it looks, and whatnot. Performance wise, I will probably go with the Turbo XS J-pipe, and that's really about it performance wise. Other than that, performance, I'm good. Maybe one day I'll probably go E85, who knows, thanks to Cobb and the little green, whatever you call it. They discontinued all their E85 stuff, but it's all good. There's other manufacturers that make stuff for the WRX and the E85. But like I said, this is a short video. I just showed you everything that's done so far, which is the carbon fiber hood, the trunk. Thanks to Seibon, however you say their name. Thanks to them for that. The side skirts and the rear diffuser, that is from Strafe Design. The price was good, the fitment was good, but shipping was like the biggest issue. I ordered this about maybe a month and a half, almost 2 months ago, and they sent out the rear diffuser, and I was like, okay, cool, I'll put it on a different day. But I saw videos on YouTube on how to install it, and they had 2 boxes, and I had 1. And the second box was the side skirt, the extensions. So I was like, what the hell? So I opened the box and I didn't see it in there, and I ended up contacting them. They don't have a phone number, which is horrible. So I emailed them. They emailed me back saying, hey, your order's going to be shipped out in about over the weekend. I was like, all right, cool, over the weekend. Well, they made the shipping label that weekend. It didn't ship out to the following weekend. And then on top of that, the product came horribly bent up and whatnot. And I tried my best to fix it. And I didn't want to go through the hassle of like sending it back and contacting them, and then having them send me everything back and waiting another month and a half, 2 months to get the product. So I just said, you know what, forget about it. I'll just put it on. I mean, you can't really notice it unless you're actually like up close and personal staring at it. But like I said, I didn't want to deal with the whole issue. Product wise, like material and everything, it's a really good bang for your buck. But when it comes to receiving the item, it's going to take a minute to get, what I experienced. And the same thing with the hood and the trunk. I ordered those around the same time. I ordered the Strafe Design products, and it went from Seibon to a third-party delivery company. You know, and I was like, all right, cool. 2 weeks went by, so I called them up. I was like, hey, I see that you guys have my thing. It was like, okay, well, we're waiting for a local delivery to actually pick it up so we can have it delivered to you. You should be getting a phone call tomorrow. All right, cool. Next day, I didn't hear anything, so I called back. And like, oh, yeah, the warehouse, they just picked it up and we're just waiting on delivery. All right, cool. They should call you the next day. All right, cool with that. And then, you know, it was over the weekend. So I called back that Monday, and they're like, oh, yeah, we're going to escalate this because it's been about a month now and you still haven't received it. So then I called Seibon and see if they had any updates or whatnot. And, yeah, they told me that a third-party delivery company did pick it up, and I should be receiving it fairly soon. But they will follow up and get back with me. But they didn't. So I called the delivery company back. And they said, okay, it should be delivered this week. And I was like, okay, cool. You will get a phone call tomorrow. I didn't get a phone call again. So then I just kept calling every day of the week. And they're like, okay, we're actually going to be delivering it on Thursday. I was like, all right, cool, Thursday. And they actually called me the next day for me to schedule the delivery and everything. And I actually wasn't home, but the delivery driver actually waited outside my house for about 30 minutes for me to arrive. I let them know I was going to be late, but he still waited for me, which was a good thing. But the overall process of waiting and from both companies, it just put a bad taste in my mouth. But it is what it is. I got the products. They're all installed, which is a good thing. But with that being said, please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned to the next video. Peace.